Hey, what's up guys? It's Carlos with Solas Movies. This is a first recording at night here. Got the POV on my forehead and this one here, the Canon on the dashboard. So bear with me, this is an experiment. I don't have a mount, so it might be vibrating and stuff, but I'll try my best. Just picked up my brother. Well, he's on his car behind me. He's on the white Mustang, his '89 FOX body, and we're going to one of the local hangouts here in Miami. So we'll see how the night is. We'll see if it's packed or not at all. Actually, I'm trying to make a video coming up soon, guys, called 5 Things I Love About the Camaro. It's one of those videos that everybody is making these days. So again, guys, sorry for the bad lighting. This is an experiment I'm doing here with the Canon here in the dashboard and then the POV on my head. So we'll see how it goes. You'll get some nice audio with the Canon. Guys, I got a blog up and running. Check it out. It's miamicarhangouts.com, WordPress blog, for all of you to leave comments there and have kind of like a community growing there in the blog, and to complement my Facebook page, which is also called Miami Car Hangouts. Let me know if you like this POV angle. I'll do more of this during the day, of course. Again, this is an experiment now, so it might not come out too good. See when we get there. Enjoy the drive, and we'll see if there's any action going on at the hangout spot where we're going. This goes my brother, guys. I don't know if you can see that fine. ¿Te ve bien ahí para allá? There's the 1989 FOX body. I gotta do a review on one of those. Beautiful car. This came out with a nice line for that generation. Hey, Solas Motorsports, what you got done to it?
No, there's bone stock.
Bone stock?
Yeah, with some weight reduction on it.
Weight reduction. We gotta look at it. We gotta look at it later. Here we are pulling up into the location, first location of the night, Target parking lot, but unfortunately there is nobody here. Maybe they'll come out later, but there's no one here now. Bro, me vas a dar un puertazo. Dímelo, papi. Mira, no me des un puertazo, ¿viste?
I'll try not to.
Sí, no me des un puertazo, que yo nunca voy a parquear al lado a nadie.
Don't worry, man. Trust me, I never
Bro,
parked far away.
está bonito esto, man.
Thank you, man. Thank
Tremendo big difference que hizo los springs y la goma. Wow, parece una cucarachita ahora sí pegadita al piso.
You never left me anymore.
Sir, put your mask on, sir, please.
Mask, get out of here.
Sir, put your mask on, please.
You guys seen roadkill? I came here to work on it.
Oh, vamos a hacerlo. Aquí tengo un production team y todo contigo, papi. Con todo. Mira, ahora tengo que decir algo about roadkill. Guys, my brother actually works for the show Roadkill. we're here in the hangar. We're gonna swap the tires. We're gonna put a rear mounted turbo on it with a leaf blower PSI.
Only got the tires?
We got another
Got one.
Got tires?
Gotta get the rim now.
another member of the family. Mateo, what's your YouTube channel?
Oh, my YouTube channel. You're gonna find there the comments mocking them.
We'll put it on the comments, guys. What you got, Mateo? Can you give us an intro on your car,
Sure.
please? Go ahead.
It's called a Focus ST 2018. I'll show you the inside.
Give us the year and all the specs, everything you got done to it.
Yes, sir. As you can see, my pretty carbon fiber intake because prettiness. It has a Cobb intercooler, Cobb exhaust, Cobb catback, and it's stratified tune E30.
How long you had it?
Had it for 2 years almost.
Nice. And you just put springs on it, right?
Yeah, lowering springs.
What springs?
H&R.
Nice. There you have it, guys. Mateo's Focus ST. Beautiful looking car. Alright guys, so we're doing a little photo shoot here. We got my brother's Fox, Mateo's ST, my Camaro. Here's Mateo taking some pictures.
Oh, I can see everything.
We got some 3 Hellcats that just got here. We'll see what the night brings.
A V8 supercharger.
Range Rover, yeah, Sport X. That racing Range Rover.
HSR, daily drive. I'm like, what?
Like a Trackhawk kind of. He's helping the old people. Yeah, helping the old people. I mean, the old people just go and then they give him the government money.
Yeah.
In reality, the government is paying.
The government is buying the cars.
You know who brought this?
Okay, man.
Yo, who brought that? Who brought that shit?
No, man, I'm looking for the owner.
What's this? What's this? What's this? Out here. Oh shit, slow SS.
Looks like a, no.
It's a super slow.
No, le puso los stickers.
Oh, es mentira, it's a
Este es el 4
V6.
cilindro, creo.
It's a 4-cylinder one.
Este es el 4 cilindro 1LE.
This
El
guy's.
paquete ese para racing.
Ya, no, mira, ahorita le pone sticker al autopal y todo.
Se me saca todo dinero en la llanta de V8.
Increíble, man.
De madre, ¿eh?
Hay gente para todo.
Hey, is it me or your exhaust is on?
No le digas eso, Mateo.
The ST got it, but Mustang went ahead now. Mustang passed now. All right, guys, that's a wrap for the night. Went to the hangout, then got a couple runs in and some footage for you guys. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. See you guys. That's some nice close-up.